Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart VE9CF Charlie Foxtrot, and today we are doing something brand new. We got a POTA truck. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Again, I'm Stuart VE9CF Charlie Foxtrot, and today we're taking our brand new POTA truck out for a rainy activation. Yeah, it's starting to spittle. And we're going to go to Mapleton and we're going to activate. We're going to use our new truck here for the first time. Not sure what I'm going to call her yet, but we're going to find a neat name. If you know a name for our truck, leave a comment below. Let us know what you would like to see us name our truck, and the best name from the comments. Well, that's what we'll name our truck. So we're going to pack up and head over to Mapleton, Echo, Charlie Alpha 5261. After all these weeks, it's the first time I called it a Victor Echo. Okay, Charlie Alpha 5261. And the cool thing about having a truck now, we can leave our gear, our poles and stuff in the back. Nobody's going to want to steal a bunch of Princess Auto tent poles. And plus, it's just going in the driveway to the POTA places, not really using it for anything else other than maybe moving the odd bit of furniture and stuff around. Picked up this truck here at Trevor's Mitsubishi in Miramichi. Dimitri VE9AJ. I'm all bumbling my words today. VE9AJ found this truck for us online, so we drove up to Miramichi on the weekend and picked it up. Had it out for a couple test drives. Seems to work well. Took it out yesterday just for a test activation. Got to work out some bugs, but today's our official grand launching of our new POTA truck, and we're going to go to Mapleton. Okay, going to finish loading up the gear here and then bring up the star of the show here. Let me introduce the star of the show. Where's the star of the show? Where's the star of the show? Where's the star of the show? If you didn't know, VE9 Pup has a brother, Sammy, and Spooky is somewhere around. Oh, here comes Spooky. Here comes the other one. The two Chihuahuas. There's his other brother, Spooky. And of course, some of you guys have met Missy already. Are you ready to go? Hey? Are you wanting to go, Sammy? Hey? You wanting to go, Sammy? Sammy? I take it Archie's ready to go. All right, let's go. Where are we going? Let's go. Come on. We're not going in the white car anymore. Let's go, come on. You know where to go. Let's go. Come on. We're not going this way. Come on, this way. Let's go. No, we're not going in the white car. We're going in the new one, Arch. Come on. Good boy. All right, folks. So welcome back to the channel. Again, I'm Stuart VE9CF Charlie Foxtrot, and we're out for our grand launching of our new POTA truck. Well, we didn't get it just for POTA. We got it for a number of things. We're moving out to St. Antoine, New Brunswick here in a month from today. We take possession of our new QTH. And so we're going to be living in the country, so we need a truck for the country. And we just wanted a truck to haul stuff. My goal was I didn't want to spend a ton of money. I wanted something that was relatively affordable, and this one fit that bill. And it's a 2005. It's a 2005 Toyota Tundra. And it's got just under 200,000 kilometers, so about 140,000 miles on it. 120,000 miles. So for 2005, it's in pretty good shape. It's got a bit of rust on it, of course, you know, Canadian winters and all that. But the guy who had it before me, a single owner, took really good care of it. So yeah, it's gonna work. It's gonna do its thing for POTA here as a kind of another use for the truck. That's what we're going to use it for. Okay, we're on our way to Mapleton. We've been to Mapleton a few times now. We're close. We're 400 contacts away from getting our kilo at Charlie Alpha 5261. So we're going to go and do that today. Not get the kilo. No, we're still got a long way to go for the kilo. 400 contacts. All right, we're getting back here into Mapleton Park. Charlie Alpha 5261. We've been here lots of times over the last little while. And we're going to activate this park again. Today we're going to go voice again. The band conditions have been absolutely brutal the last few outings. But yesterday we came out. We didn't record that one yesterday. We had 192 QSOs. I went down to the 14247 DXing near the end, and I sat there for half an hour and wasted a whole bunch of time. Listened to some guys rag chew, trying to get some station in South Africa. Well, I'm not going to be doing that too much anymore. I'm going to just stick around and do my POTA. And just call CQ and call DX. And I may just pop down to 14247 quickly to say hi to Wynard, Victor 51 Whiskey, and to Uncle Gunther, Delta Kilo 5 Oscar November Victor. But I'm probably not going to hang out there for too long. Just make calls and get off, type of thing. All right, I'm going to back up the truck here, get to my normal spot, and we'll get set up and we'll get on the air from Charlie Alpha 5261. All right, so we got all the gear set up out here. We got the transformer part of the infrared half wave up there on 5 of the Princess Auto poles, so up 20 feet on this end, and up about the same on that end, 20 feet. And we're going to get rocking and rolling here, get on the air. Let's see what noise we can make. The band conditions are not favorable, but you never know. Let's go and see what we can do. Archie, let's go. Come on. In the truck. In the truck. Oh, wait. You got a burr on you. Hold on. Stop. Try the radio down here. See what happens. If it works down there, it'll work. Okay, and we got the new battery there. We'll talk more about that battery in the future video. Also bought the 2 meter and 70 centimeter handheld. We'll see if that works today. I need to get some contacts on 2 meters and 70 centimeters as well. We got the new version of hammers today. We put the new version, I think it's 107 on today, so it automatically it queries now the parks, which is great. Populates the grid square and all that good stuff now. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? We're going to start up on 10 meters today and work on there. I like 10 meters, and let's just see what, if it's open, it's open. If it's not, it's not. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. We just got started and we got 17 contacts, most of them DX. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. We're doing pretty good. Just getting started.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Tango Alpha Tango.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Tango Alpha Tango. Roger. Seems like we have a direct pipe into Spain. I mean, every second call today has been Spain. Echo Alpha, Echo Bravo, been into Spain, a couple of Italians, and a lot of French as well. Not too many US. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air for Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. QRZ? Find a place to put the camera so I can record myself here. I haven't figured that part out yet. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air for Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. 47 contacts, and the majority of them are Spanish. I would say at least half are from Spain. That's very, very strange to have that happen. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. See, there's another Echo Alpha 3. The Echo Alpha 3 again. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air for Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. So we got 65 QSOs so far, and we've been at it for just about an hour, maybe less than an hour. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. A lot of Europeans, a lot of Spanish stations. Really, I don't get that many Spanish stations usually. Like a handful, 6 to 12 maybe, but this is every second call right now has been a Spanish station. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air for Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. I wonder if my luck on 10 is running out now. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air for Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. Papa Alpha 2, Radio Bravo. Yeah, you're about a 3x3. 3x3, over. Roger. Thanks for the 4 and 4 in the Netherlands. 7-3. 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air.
Whiskey 4, Juliet, November, Romeo.
Whiskey 4, Juliet, November, Romeo. You're 5 and 9.
Wow, you're 5-9 here in North Georgia.
Roger. Thanks for the 5-9 in North Georgia. 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. So I don't know if it's getting the NFED half wave up that extra, because I really had it I got it up 15 feet higher than I normally get it here. So I don't know, maybe that's it. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. Anyway, it's great having other resources to get your antennas up in the air. I'm still using my Princess Auto 10 poles. I have it up 5 sections this time. I usually only put it up 4, but I put it up 5 sections this time. And I got the other end up it's a full telephone pole size. So what's that, 25 feet? Maybe. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. But I think my luck on 10 meters is starting to run out. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. Okay, I think we're going to punt here on 10 and try another frequency. Yeah, I'll give it another 5 minutes and see what happens. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. I really like 10 meters. What a great band. Okay, I'm going to try and change up. I think I'm just going to call CQ on 10 meters and see what that does. CQ 10 meters, CQ 10 meters. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ 10 meters. I don't know if that one. I don't know if that works. CQ DX, CQ Parks on the air, CQ DX, CQ Parks on the air, CQ 10 meters. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot.
Whiskey Victor 4 Oscar.
Whiskey Victor 4 Oscar. You're 5 and 9.
I'll get you 5-9 into Western Kentucky.
Roger. Thanks for the 5 and 9, Western Kentucky. 7-3. This is Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. QRZ 10 meters. Kilo X-ray 4, Oscar Bravo. You're 5 and 7 into New Brunswick today.
Now you're 5-7 here in Talladega, Alabama.
Thank you for the 5 and 7 in Alabama. 7-3. Echo Alpha 1, Bravo Charlie.
Okay, Echo Alpha 1, 5 and 8.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. It was Echo Alpha 1, Bravo Charlie, Roger.
Roger, Roger. My name is Luis. 5 and 9. Okay.
Yeah, 5 and 9, Louis, 7-3.
7-3.
Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ Parks on the air.
Alpha Delta 4, Juliet X-ray.
Alpha Delta 4, Juliet X-ray, 5 and 9.
QSO, you're 5-9 Golf Alpha. Thank you for the forward.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for the 5-9 Golf Alpha, 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot.
Florida 8, Florida Sierra Charlie.
Florida 8, Florida Sierra Charlie, 5 and 9.
Oh, yeah. Good morning, good afternoon. Big signal 5-9 and 10 dB in Bordeaux, Switzerland. Thank you for new POTA. Good luck, 73. Bye.
Thanks, Larry, 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ Parks on the air.
Kilo Alpha 8, Golf India Mike.
Kilo Alpha 8, Golf India Mike, 5 and 9.
Roger, Roger. 5-6, 56 into Wisconsin.
Thanks for the 56 Wisconsin, 7-3.
73, have fun. Echo Alpha.
Echo Alpha,
Bravo United to Lima.
Bravo United Lima again.
Echo Alpha 1, Bravo United to Lima.
Echo Alpha 1, Bravo United Lima, 5-9.
Also 5-9, thank you. Bye-bye.
7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ Parks on the air. There's Echo Alpha 1, Bravo United Lima. I was wondering where he was. The Spanish stations are following me to 15 meters now. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ Parks on the air.
Kilo Echo 8, Yankee Delta uniform.
Kilo Echo 8, Yankee Delta uniform, you're 5 and 9.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for the 5-9. I got you the same beautiful signal in southeast Michigan, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Good to see the band getting better now.
Yeah, it's definitely coming back up, sounds like. Thanks for the park, my friend. 7-3.
7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ Parks on the air.
Stuart, what was your park number?
Yeah, I got 2 parks. Charlie Alpha 5261, Charlie Alpha 0024.
526100024. Gotcha.
Roger, Roger. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ Parks on the air. All right, so we're, see, get this phone sorted out here. All right, so we're just checked it on the 247 DXnet, talked to Weinard, Victor 51 Whiskey, and we're sitting at 289 QSOs. So I think that's a good afternoon. I have to pack up soon and head home for dinner. So it's 6 o'clock now. So I'm gonna, after this round is done, I'm gonna pack up and head home. So I tried to reach Uncle Gunther, but Uncle Gunther wasn't on the net tonight. Doesn't appear to be. Lots of good DX on the DXnet though. There just came on the frequency.
Evidently, he must have stepped away. It would try someone else to help you. Okay, let's go back to the list. Charlie Foxtrot, your call.
Yeah, thanks, Joe. You got a good signal, 5 and 9 up here. I'm going to try that Bonaire station that just called in. Papa Japan 4 Kilo. Papa Japan 4 Kilo. I'll copy Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot.
Foxtrot 558. Bonnier, go ahead.
Yeah, 5 and 8 as well, my friend. 5 and 8 as well. That finishes my ABC Island. 7-3. Back to that, Joe.
Okay, good contact. Juliet Foxtrot, your call, John.
Ooh, I got Bonaire. All right, everyone. We're all wrapped up here at Charlie Alpha 5261 with 290-ish QSOs today. So we're almost close to our kilo. I promised myself to come back here tomorrow morning and work the early shift again tomorrow morning. Because as of this morning when I was listening online or listening to a couple of stations from Florida, there were some VKs coming in. And I want to see if I can grab those VKs in the morning. So we're going to come back here. I was debating about leaving this stuff up tonight, but I decided to take it all down and bring it home. Giving the POTA rules of leave no trace. So yeah, so we're all done at 5261. Our initial outing in our new truck. First POTA outing officially in the new truck. 290-ish QSOs. And a lot of DX today. DX was plentiful today. All right, I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Thanks everyone who worked us today. Thanks to all the DX stations that worked us as well. It was great. All right, I do got to get a phone charger for this truck. One of the things I got to get. All right, I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you want to name this truck. Leave a comment below. Let us know a name to give this Toyota Tundra, 2005 Toyota Tundra that we have. I'm looking for a cool name. All right. And the king is back there freezing. It's cold today. It got cold all of a sudden. It says 6 degrees on the car, but it started raining and it got cold. Anyway, we're out of here. 7-3, everyone. See you in a future video.